Hi students, and welcome back to Succeed in Computer Practice with Mr. H. And in this particular tutorial, we are going to discuss page numbering and how to insert and manipulate page numbering. Alright, so first of all, as you can see, there's no page numbers on this page. And a page number, you can decide you want it on top of the page or do you want it at the bottom of the page. And page numbers gets inserted basically in a header or in a footer of the page. That's where you will find it. So to insert page numbers, you're going to click on Insert, and then you go to Page Number, and then you decide where is your page numbering going to be. Is it going to be on top of the page or at the bottom? And if I choose bottom, for example, bottom of the page, I have to select or choose where bottom is going to be on the left hand side of the page, the center, or the right hand side of the page. Alright, so I'm going to choose I want it centered. Alright, close my header. So now I have a first page and I have a second page. But what if the question paper specifies that they do not want a number on the first page, but they want a number on the second page only? Well, then you would double click next to your number, and you will notice that you are then in the header and the footer tools tab of your design tab of your Word document. And then you have under the options, you have the option to choose a different first page, and if you select it, you will notice, and you close your header, you will notice that your first page number has disappeared, but the second page number is still there. Alright, what if they want you to change the formatting of the number? Say, for example, to letters of the alphabet. Then you would, again, double click next to your number. You will go directly to page number, format page numbers. And what you can do, you can change the number format to, for example, letters of the alphabet, and you click OK. Alright. Then remember, the first page still doesn't have a number because you've selected a different first page. But if I deselect this, I would see that my first page is now A and my second page is now B. And if I choose different first page, my first page has no numbering, but my second page is still B. What if they want the second page to start with the letter C? Then you would go to the page numbering, you click on Format Page Numbers, you make sure that you start not with A on the first page. It starts with A, remember? But if you want the second page to start with C, that would imply that the first page must then start with B. If the first page starts with B, then that means the second page will then start with C. Let me show you. So if I just activate my first page again, my first page now starts with B and my second page starts with C. And if I don't want the numbering to show on my first page, I'm just going to click on different first page. My numbering doesn't show on the first page, but my numbering shows on the second page, and it shows number C. So in a nutshell, that is how you can manipulate page numbering. So go and practice for yourself and see how you can manipulate your page numbering to start with any page number that you want. Thank you, students, for watching, and join me in the next video where we will be discussing question 3.